Hello all my dear friends. Today I'm here with a very nice recipe for the grilled chicken. That's the very nice one with a very special sauce. That's my secret sauce actually. I am serving it with the mashed potato. Before going and see how I made it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and encourage me for more videos and the recipes like this. So let's go and see what we need to cook this fantastic and attractive dish. In different countries, they actually grill or barbecue the chicken in different way. And this is the way that I really like to show it to you and teach it to you because that's so tasty, it's very juicy. And now with the special sauce that I'm gonna make it, the taste is heavenly. So let's go and see what we need to cook this very nice and tasty chicken. Here I have something around 1 kilo of chicken. In order to save the time, I just marinated with the onion. I chopped the onion. I put 1 teaspoon baking butter inside it and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. So that's the only marinating that I use just for now. And I kept it something around 1 hour in the refrigerator. And now it is ready so I can add the other ingredients on it. And it looks like this. I have 1 paprika, 1 eggplant, some cloves of garlic, chopped parsley. This is 1 tablespoon of Mayo sauce. I have butter, vegetable oil, 1 glass of milk, some lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of flour, some mustard sauce, and these are the spices that I'm gonna use for this food. I'm gonna write all the amounts in the description. Please pay attention to the amount. I have salt, onion and garlic powder, some chili, this is the sweet pepper, this is ginger powder, and some black pepper. So it's very easy. Let's go and do it together. Well, as I said, I marinated firstly this chicken with 1 big onion. I just chopped them, cut them like this, with 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon baking powder. So I just left it in the fridge for 1 hour, and now I'm gonna add the other spices. I'm gonna add some salt, not too much because I already add some soya sauce inside it, so soya sauce is salty. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some black pepper, chili, and some sweet pepper. It's like 1 tablespoon of Mayo sauce inside it. I use my gloves because I have to actually mix them all together with my hand. I add some oil, not too much, some lemon juice, I add some more. Here I have saffron. Saffron is optional. If you like it, if you have it at home, then add it. I do it because it smells nice. At the same time, the color is perfect. So now I use the hand just to mix them very well. Well, this chicken is very nice on barbecue. The taste is amazing. But as far as we are in the winter time, it's a little bit cold to be outside to run the barbecue. So I decided to do it today in the oven. You can even grill it, or maybe you can even put it in the air fryer. It all depends on you. Okay, now it's okay. I put it aside just to rest a few minutes, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what we have to do. I have one eggplant, one paprika, this is sweet, and garlic, which I'm gonna wrap it in the foil like this. I'm gonna put them in the oven. You can barbecue them, you can even put it on the stove to make them grill so we can peel off this skin. So I'm gonna put it in the oven right now and I'll be back. I grill them. They look like black carrots, but trust me, it is good. The garlic is also done here. So I just remove it. For the eggplant, I just wrap it inside this stretch film so I can squeeze the flesh out easier this way. Or you can easily peel it off, doesn't matter. So all I have to do is to peel off this also. Paprika, and then I'm gonna make the very tasty sauce with them. Well, I squeeze the flesh of this garlic, then eggplant out, and I have one paprika which I peel it off. I'm gonna remove the seeds inside it. And now we have to chop them together. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna put it aside until I prepare the sauce. But first of all, I have to make the chickens ready. So let's go and do the chicken first, and later we're gonna make the sauce together. Well, first of all, I have some butter, soften them. I use half of it. So I'm gonna add some very little salt inside it, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some parsley, chopped parsley. I'm gonna keep it because I need it also for top of it. So I soft the butter like this. Buttering the chicken makes it very soft and also very juicy. At the same time, I told you at the beginning that for the first marinating, I used 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder make the chicken very soft, and the texture will be very nice and very juicy at the same time. So that's a technique. If you don't have time and you don't want to make the, for example, your chicken to rest or to be marinated maybe over some hours or over the night, so that's a very good and very quick trick to use. Okay, it's ready because I want to actually use it inside of the chicken. Well, I have my chickens like this. I cut them like this. I'm gonna use the back of my knife just to give us some punch on it. I'm gonna spread this butter on it like this. Then I roll it. something like this. Okay, I'm gonna continue with all of the chickens that I have, and today I want to use the actually skewer because you can use it on the oven rack, or like me use this metal kind of a metal skewer, or even wooden stick, doesn't matter, or as I said, you can even barbecue it or use the air fryer, anything that is easier for you to actually grill the chicken. So I'm using today this kind of a skewer, which is actually easier for me. I'm gonna put them inside of this chicken, and then I'm gonna put it on this oven tray, and inside the oven I'm gonna continue wrapping them, and I will show you how it looks. Well, as you saw, I wrapped them, I put them in the skewer like this, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven with 250 degrees, and it takes like 15 to 20 minutes. You have to be careful, just turn them around because we don't want them to get burned. So as long as they are getting cooked in the oven, I'm gonna prepare the sauce together with you. Okay, now I want to prepare the sauce. For making the sauce, I'm gonna make first of all some bechamel sauce. So I use something around 30 grams of butter together with some oil. This sauce is perfect with this chicken. You can also use it with the beef, but I prefer it with this chicken. I'm gonna melt the butter. I have something around 2 tablespoons of flour, which I added to this. And together, I'm gonna mix it. Making the bechamel sauce is so easy. I already actually put a description in my channel, and I made it a lot actually. By the way, if you have any comments, any idea, please leave me the comments. I actually get very happy to see your comments and even your suggestion. So please support me with your comments as well. I also have 1 glass of milk, which I'm gonna add to this mixture. But first of all, wait until the flour gets just 3-4 minutes cooked together with this butter. Well, now bechamel sauce looks like this, see? And it's completely soft, the texture is so creamy. Now I add some salt inside it. I have some onion powder, not too much. Garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic inside it, doesn't matter. Black pepper. And I have some mustard sauce. Mustard sauce also is optional. If you don't like mustard, it's okay, you don't need to add it. Now it's the time to add that grilled eggplant and paprika with the garlic together to this mixture. And mix them very well. Believe me, this sauce tastes perfect with that chicken. And it's ready. Here we are with our very special and very tasty sauce. Well, I cooked them, they are ready. But my last touch is this. That's a kind of it's not a sauce, but buttery sauce, which is kind of a garnish type of it, and it's gonna make it perfectly juicy and looks better and also tastes better. So let's go and make this together, and then I'm gonna come with the serving. To make this, I need like 30 grams of butter. I'm gonna add some saffron. As I said again, saffron is optional, so if you don't have it, then it's okay. I use it because of the taste and also the color. I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice inside it. I have 1 teaspoon ginger powder and some chopped parsley. So that's the secret, actually, kind of a sauce top of these chickens, which make it actually much better and tastier. Look at it. Isn't it so beautiful? It tastes perfect. I hope you make it at home because it's so nice, and I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, especially with that nice sauce which I made it. I decorated with the mashed potato and it's ready to go on the table. I hope you like it, you cook it and enjoy eating it with your friends or the members of your family. Until my next recipe, my next video, see you later.